It's another random video, and today I'm gonna try to get my cat to fetch. So, mommy, what's the thingy?
I think it's in the bathroom area, hon.
Okay, 1 second. It's only about the black screen. It's just I'm trying to find it, and I don't know. Maybe this little mouse will work. Okay, I'll do this one. I don't like it. So, I think this mouse will work, Mommy, won't it?
I have no idea, honey.
Winner. Now
The
look.
last time he fetched, it was with the other toy.
Look, he went and fetched. Oh, winner. Why didn't you grab it?
I don't think he can carry it right. Find his fetching toy.
Sorry, guys. It's not going to work. Because I do not know where the toy that she's talking about is. And, well, he won't fetch that, and he won't get it and bring it back. He doesn't even touch it.
He'll chase it, but
He'll chase it, but he won't grab it, so I cannot do it.
You remember that toy?
Boy.
You remember what it was he was bringing to us last night?
Mommy, I'm going to cut off the video now.
Go ahead.